Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. If you have any questions or need help with Zoho Books, please do contact and we will be happy to assist you. In this video, I will show you how to invoice, receive payment and handle currency gains and losses in Zoho Books. We will be covering enabling multi-currency, adding currency to customers, creating a foreign currency invoice, recording payment, and checking the currency report so you can spot gain or losses. Adding on to the point, advanced multi-currency features like multiple currencies per contact are available on higher plans like Elite, Ultimate, etc. So let's get into the video by enabling multi-currency. For that, go to organization under settings and you can see currency. Zoho keeps a default currency list and you can add new currencies. To create a new currency, click on new currency, choose the currency code, provide the currency symbol, currency name, decimal places and format if needed. Click on save button to create the currency. You can also allow automatic exchange rate feeds or set rates manually. So for that, when you hover the mouse point against the currency, you can see view exchange rate, click on that and click on add exchange rate by providing the date and rate. This is how to create the exchange rate manually. If you want to allow automatic fetching of exchange rate, click on enable exchange feeds. So after creating the currencies, next step is to associate currency with a customer or vendor. To invoice a customer in their currency, open the customer record and assign the currency. So it is to be noted that if you have recorded a transaction against a customer, then you cannot map or change the base currency. So here I will show you how to set the currency against a customer. I am creating a new customer. I am choosing the GST treatment as unregistered. Here you can see the INR as base currency. So here all the created currency will be listed over here. So from there you can choose the currency. Click on save button. Next step is to create an invoice in foreign currency. So for that, go to invoice, create a new invoice, choose the customer. So when you choose the customer, you can see the exchange rate over here. This is the rate we have added manually. So if you want to change the rate and if you want to set this day rate as default, you can click on save button. You can choose the checkbox to make it default also. Then if you choose an item from the list, then it will be listing in QAR. So let's check how to record a payment against this invoice. So for that, click on record payment and the amount will be listing in QAR. So for example, I am recording a small amount and here you have the option to change the exchange rate. Actually, when I create the invoice, it was 2,800 and when I make the payment, if it is 3,000, then there is a gain of 200 rupees per QAR. So let's check how this will reflect in reports. So for that, go to reports and you can see currency report. where there is an option of realized gain or loss. So there you can see the exchange rate and realized amount. The gain or loss will be listing over here, and also under the business overview, profit and loss, the amount will be reflecting under profit and loss account also. So the date range I have choose today, and you can see the exchange rate. As this is an expense, we have got an profit, so this is listing in minus. So this is how to check the reports. So hope you guys understood. If you have any query, please do check out and reach with us. Thank you and have a great day.